Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a playlist on Spotify using a PC. First, open Spotify and go to your library section. Here you can see the plus button. Click on the plus button to see the available options. You will see options such as playlist, blend, and folder. For this tutorial, select playlist. Now give your playlist a name. You can use any name you like, such as my favorite songs. After entering the name, create the playlist. Your new playlist is now ready. Next, let's add a song to the playlist. Use the search option to find any song you want to add. Once you find a song, look for the three dots menu next to the song. Click on the three dots and select Add to Playlist. Here, you may see the New Playlist option. Click on New Playlist and enter a name for the new playlist. Then select Create to finish the process. The song can now be added to your playlist. Finally, open the playlist from your library and check that the song has been added. For this tutorial, we are only showing the options with the mouse, so there is no need to play the song. And that's how you can create a playlist and add a song to it on Spotify. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.